up, guys? It's me, Ryan, that does all the videos, and we're gonna pick our second champion subscriber at the end of this video. Today we got a new project playing NHL goal horns on the piano. Let's start with the Chicago Blackhawks. Chicago Blackhawks. That's Colorado Avalanche. Detroit Red Wings. The Blackhawks live at the United Center. Colorado Avalanche lives at the Pepsi Center. Now Detroit Red Wings, Little Caesars Arena. That's Detroit Red Wings. That's Vegas nice, but it's same like Colorado, Italy. Now let's do the Blackhawks again. This is a 2015 goal horn. Let's see. That's Philadelphia Flyers. Let's see. That's Pittsburgh Penguins. G. That's Blackhawks. That's, let's see.